Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my affiliate robot review for you guys. I'm going to do a full demo and I do have a $2,997 bonus. Now in a nutshell what it is, this will generate traffic for you on complete autopilot, and it is video traffic but without filming any videos. So no filming, no editing, no optimizing videos, not even uploading. Okay, so you essentially grab someone else's video, you add up to 4 affiliate links to it, and you can start making money this way. So traffic and commissions, super easy. You can do all of this in less than a minute, and I'm going to show you exactly what this is. Okay, so let me share my screen and let's check out the sales page, because I normally do like prices comparison, but to be honest, there's nothing else on the market that I can compare it to. Okay, no other piece of software allows you to add 4 affiliate links on top of a video. Okay, so as you can see, it says affiliate robot, the world's first autopilot affiliate robot. One button blasts your affiliate link to 6 viral traffic sources for $50 to $100 paydays in as little as 60 seconds. The all-in-one newbie-friendly solution to $100 days. Now, I do like that they are not trying to, claim that you're going to be making thousands of dollars per day with it. $50 to $100 per day is very achievable, and obviously you can grab any video off of YouTube and this will work in any niche. So I do like this 3-step process. They get some income proof right here. And let me just scroll down. So essentially, the sales page is still under construction, but they got some key points. So affiliate robot, that's the name of this new product, and obviously this is my affiliate robot review. Scrolling down here, they will have bonuses, testimonials, all of the testimonials right here, all of these other good things. That the cool thing is that a part of the 30 days money back guarantee, you will also get $100 from these guys if you will actually buy the software, then use it, and if you won't get results. Okay, so this is how confident they are. So if you will use the software and you won't get any traffic, they will actually pay you $100. So just an ironclad guarantee. A little sum up right here. So obviously you're going to be getting bonuses from these guys and my bonuses on top of it. Okay, so Billy, Justin, and Eves, these are the 3 marketers behind this product. That's essentially it. You can go through all of this in your own time as always, and let me show you the inside of the members area. So this is super simple. As I already told you, you just grab any video, then you upload it right here, and you can add up to 4 affiliate links to it. Now I will have a full demo showing you the whole process. Right now I just wanted to show you more or less how it works. Okay, so we are in the dashboard right here. As you can see, we have videos and we have leads. So even before I'm going to show you the videos, just keep in mind that each video can generate leads for you, and you don't even need to have an autoresponder. Okay, so affiliate robot will actually store these leads for you, and then when you decide to import them somewhere, you can, as you can see, we have the export button right here. So just another cool feature. You can generate leads this way, and obviously you can upload them or do whatever you want with these leads. Okay, so that's the leads part. We have the videos right here, so obviously you will be able to access all of your videos. So we have this one right here, how to lose belly fat. We have different templates. I'm going to show you that in a second. You can share it on Facebook, Twitter, Tumblr, LinkedIn, obviously all the social media if you want to. Then you can get the embed code, which means that you can embed this video wherever you want. And the cool thing is that you will not need a website for this, because you can use the pages from affiliate robot to host these videos. Okay, so another very cool thing, as you can see, this is the edit video feature, the view video feature, and then you can delete it as well. So let's click on create new video and let's see how this works. So right off the bat, as you can see, we have 2 different templates. We have the sale template and we have the lead template. So obviously, if you want to get people's emails, you will create the video with the lead template. Let's go with sale template. This is perfect for affiliate marketing or just selling any product. So let's click on create video. And again, I'm not going to be creating a full video right now, but I just wanted to show you how this works. So essentially, you can grab any video off of YouTube. So as you can see, we have a video source YouTube right here. We just add the video URL, and then what we do As you can see right here on the right, we have 4 images right here on the bottom, so we can add 4 custom-made images right here, and then each one will be corresponding with a affiliate link or any other link for that matter. Okay, so let's say you want the first image to show up at 5 seconds of the video. Okay, then at 1 minute 50 you want the second image to pop up. Then on the third image you want at whatever 3 minutes, and then 5 minutes for the fourth. And at any point while the video is playing, people can click on all 4 images. This will bring up a little pop-up and they can see more about whatever you are promoting. And obviously you know, this is very, very cool, because normally I've seen similar softwares, but they only add 1 link or like a pop-up on top of video. No other software will actually do it this way. So have 4 different links with images on the bottom, and at any point while viewing the video, you know, your viewers can essentially click on the first, second, third or fourth, and they can buy more than 1 product. Okay, so imagine someone is watching this video and they don't really need or want the first product that you're recommending. You can still make the commission for the second, the third or the fourth product. So this is just much smarter. Instead of adding like 1 pop-up or you know, just 1 link on top of a video. And this just makes this so much more interactive and just makes more sense, because you know, you give people more options, and the cool thing is that, you know, they can interact. So that's essentially it. That's all you need to know. And again, the cool thing about it is that you can host these videos on the software itself, on Affiliate Robot itself. So you don't need a website, you don't even need a YouTube channel, you don't need anything apart of this software, and you can start making money. Just add your affiliate link to any video and start making money. As you can see, you can instantly share it on social media. Okay, so guys, again, I'm going to have a full demo video for you to check out, both on my blog and on my YouTube channel, so you can do that after watching this video. And right now, let's check out all of the upsells and the actual pricing. Okay, so as you can see, Affiliate Robot will be $17, which is a crazy low price one time, so you don't have to worry about any recurring costs for it. Now they will have 5 OTOs. Okay, so the first OTO is $39, and this is the unlimited edition. So this upgrade lets you unlock unlimited videos. So the main version will have some limits, but if you want unlimited videos per day, that's upgrade number 1, $39. Okay, then we have upgrade number 2. This is the viral traffic edition, and this upgrade unlocks the automation module, which means that you can generate even more traffic, and this will be $37 as well. Number 3, we get Affiliate Robot Done For You edition, and this upgrade, their team will deliver you done for you traffic and sales on complete autopilot, so a bunch of additional done for you resources. Then we have then we have Affiliate Robot License Edition, which is license rights. You can sell this product as your own and all the products in the funnel, by the way, and keep 100% of the profits on all of it. Okay, so me promoting this as an affiliate, I'm making 50% commissions. If you want 100% commissions, that's the upgrade, and it will only cost you $39. And the last one, we got Diamond Edition of Affiliate Robot, and here you will experience a very individual custom funnel setup. So an actual physical person will log into your account. They will set up your hosting. They will help you to build your list. They will do autoresponder integration, squeeze page setup, follow-up emails, and additional traffic tutorials is what you're getting. So as always, guys, the full funnel breakdown is right here on my blog, so you can check it out. And obviously, a part of the funnel breakdown and the whole written blog post, I have some bonuses for you. So if you will decide to pick up Affiliate Robot through my link, you're gonna get all of these bonuses, and they are worth almost $3,000. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to give you a total of 6 custom made bonuses especially for this promotion. So these are all about traffic, funnels, and video secrets. Super helpful and a great additional resource when it comes to Affiliate Robot, generating traffic and making money with affiliate marketing. And before we continue any further, let me just mention that Affiliate Robot will be going live at 11 a.m. Eastern on March 16th. Okay, so if you want to pick it up through my link, just click on one of these blue links right here on my blog, or if you're watching on YouTube, click on the first link in the description. Now let's continue with the bonuses. You're getting a total of 6 custom-made bonuses, also a reseller's license to 3 of my top products. Okay, so I'm currently selling each one of these for $97 to $197. You're getting all 3 for free. Okay, so that's a reseller's license to Instavit, Traffic Trapper, and Traffic Extractor. Also, Buyers List Ninja, my exclusive course on generating a buyer's list. Blaze, my Downloads of the Day awarded course. Some additional software products: push button traffic, affiliate, auto affiliate machine, viral commission machine, super affiliate class, and some additional Downloads of the Day awarded products. $100 daily. 3-minute commissions, $171 per day. Copy paste case study, fastest way to $169. Tube commission loophole, flip me, tube traffic avalanche, a case study on free traffic. And on top of all this, you're getting 9 additional plugins and software: Affiliate Advantage plugin, Giant Plugin Biz, Sales Page Writing Software, Squeeze Page Creator, TrueText, iAsk, Popbox, Sales Bar, and short code call to action. And on top of all this, you're getting my mega bonus as always, and my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. And my mega bonus alone is worth $1,500, and this means you're gonna get a total of $2,997. And guys, again, check out my full written review. I really put in a ton of effort into these. It takes me like 5 to 6 hours to review one product for you guys. So you know, I'm always choosing the products that are that I can recommend to you guys, that I feel that you will make money with. Okay, so just to sum up this affiliate robot review, you're going to be getting free traffic in 60 seconds. It's 100% newbie friendly. Essentially, you're grabbing other people's videos, you're adding your affiliate link to it. You're going to get traffic tutorials and commission tutorials included. Okay, so obviously everything I just showed you is the software. You're also getting video training, no monthly fees, so you're paying $17 one-time price. 180 days money back guarantee, and these guys will actually give you $100 if you will buy the software, use it, and get 0 results. Okay, what I don't like about affiliate robot, now this is a little thing that I started to add to my review videos for you to see not only what's good but also what's bad. You have to use other people's videos as is. Okay, so you cannot edit them, you cannot mix them around. Obviously, you know, you won't be able to change the voiceover. If you will go into that territory, you know, you start editing videos, which is something that you obviously don't want to do if you have a software product like Affiliate Robot. So just gives you a little bit less control. You're not building your brand, so obviously if you're using someone else's video, you're building their brand. You're saving time and money and effort, but you're not building yourself up, and you're not going to be creating the skills that you might need down the road with, you know, when it comes to video marketing, etc. But with that being said, with Affiliate Robot, you will get instant traffic and instant sales. So this is perfect for anyone that is just starting out. So guys, again, pick it up from my link to get all of these bonuses. And before you go, let me show you how to claim my bonus. And all you have to do to get my bonus is go to your purchase history and click on Affiliate Robot. After picking it up, you should see a page, you know, essentially a delivery page, and below the button that says click here to access your purchase, you should see another button saying bonuses from Art. That's how we get my bonus. You don't have to send me emails or receipts. And Affiliate Robot again goes live at 11 a.m. Eastern on March 16th. Make sure to pick it up from my link, again, one of these blue links, or the first link in the description. The second link in the description from YouTube will take you to my blog. Check out the demo as well, a part of this review video. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment on YouTube. Please like this video on YouTube. Please subscribe to this channel for more review videos just like this one, and I'll be seeing you shortly in the next review video. Ciao!